Barangay Palak-Palak is headed by President Teresita Repote. And now, ladies and gentlemen, a big round of applause for the officers and members of the senior citizen of Barangay Palguyon. Barangay Palguyon is headed by our President, Dr. Manuel Cambagay Calianta Villar. And now, ladies and gentlemen, let us all welcome
the Barangay Senior Citizens Association of Barangay Cablong. Barangay Cablong, headed by their president, Mr. Virgilio Aslin Pinson. Once again, past officers and members of Barangay Cablong. Sunod po sa Barangay Cablong ang ating past officers and members from Barangay Manaon.
once again, ladies and gentlemen, let us all welcome the officers and members of senior citizen of Barangay Manaon, headed by their president, Madam Liberty Ligot. We would like to acknowledge